Hi there guys, it's Mike from the Jessops Academy team and you join me here in Southampton. Olympus have released this, the E-PL9, latest in the pen series, and this camera has been aimed at bloggers and lifestyle photographers. I am neither of those things, so I'm going to hand this over to my friend Kadie, who's going to see how the camera feels.
Hi, my name's Kadie. I'm a lifestyle blogger. Thanks to Jessops today, I get to test out the Olympus E-PL9. The first thing I really like about it is its improved grip, so it feels really nice to hold in the hand. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it out for a test drive around Southampton today. It is quite windy, so we'll see what kind of shots we can get and just get a feel for the camera itself.
The E-PL9 is the latest in the Olympus pen series. This version builds on the appeal of the E-PL8 and has some notable improvements. Whilst it has the same 16 million pixel sensor as the E-PL8, it has improved autofocus with 121 autofocus points compared to the 81 in the E-PL8. The processor has also been improved by allowing for faster and smoother operation. This latest pen camera has really improved the creative options available to the user. It introduces an advanced photo mode for shooting multiple modes including multi-exposure, HDR and sweep panoramic. The scene mode has been improved, featuring an easy-to-navigate menu that's best for choosing the perfect setting for the photo you want to take. The E-PL9 still features the very popular art features and adds the instant film and bleach bypass to the list. For when you want to shoot video, the E-PL9 shoots in 4K at 30 frames per second and allows you to take a photo from this using the 4K photo extraction feature.
So I've really enjoyed using this camera today. If you guys would like to find out any more about the camera, then you can head to jessops.com or visit any one of their stores. Or you can follow them on Instagram at @jessops. You can follow myself on Instagram too, @KadieLouise_. Thanks for watching and they'll see you soon. Bye bye.